Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you through how to connect one laptop to another using AnyDesk. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This guide makes tech tutorials simple. Connecting to another laptop remotely can be very useful if you want to access files, help someone fix problems, or control another device from a distance. So let's get started. In my case, I only have one laptop to show in this video, but I'll guide you through all the steps. If you follow these steps, you should be able to do it easily. First, open a web browser on your main laptop. You can use Google Chrome or any other browser you like. Then, go to the search bar, search for AnyDesk, and press Enter. Click on the first link and go to the Download section. Then click on Download Now, choose the location where you want to save the file, and press Save. Once the download finishes, open the folder and you will see that AnyDesk has been downloaded. Do the same process on your second computer or laptop. After downloading AnyDesk on both devices, you will see a unique ID displayed, which is also called your address. Since I only have one laptop here, I will just explain the steps. On your main laptop, enter the address shown on the second laptop into the remote address field. Then click on the Connect arrow and press Enter on your keyboard. A request will appear on the second laptop. Click Accept to allow the connection. You might also see permission options, so make sure to allow access so the connection works properly. Once the request is accepted, you will be able to control the second laptop from your main device. You can move the mouse, open files, and do actions just like you are using that laptop directly. And that's it. You have successfully connected one laptop to another using AnyDesk. In this video, we showed how to download AnyDesk, connect two devices, and remotely control another laptop.